Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial by LyonsType. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an instance out of the font's variables and other settings. Go to Font and click Generate Instance. Use the sliders on each of its axes to customize how you want the static font from the variable font to look. Add Instance inserts the generated instance in the list. Add as master adds what you defined in the masters list. Create as font will create a new tab in FontLab, and then generate the whole font with all preferred settings. Please note that you may expect errors as a result when generating a static font from the variable font, as some of the glyphs may not be configured. The tool you are working with expects to